Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution. Hope you are good. Friends, today I'm gonna show you that how to create group or channel on Beep app. Sometimes we need to talk in group and also we want to create a channel to post our videos. So to do this work, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Friends, to create group or channel on Beep app, you have to click on Beep. Then you have to click on message sign at the bottom right corner. So click on it. Then you'll get an interface like this. And from here you have to tap on new group chat. And you'll get all the contacts who are using Beep app. You have to select the contacts, which contacts you want to add in your group. You can add maximum 1000 members. So select the contacts. And see, it is going to add on the top, right? When it will be finished, then come at the bottom and you can see here forward sign. You have to click on it. Now you have to type here your group name. So I want to give the name entertainment. Then if you want to add a profile picture or any icon, you can click on the camera. Then you can set a profile picture on here. After that you have to click on check mark. So click on it. And see, the group of entertainment has been created, right? If you want to do more settings, you have to click triple dot at the top right corner. Then you can do some settings from here. And also for more settings, you have to click on the name of the group. So click on it. And see, here is lots of options, right? From here you can set your required settings. And also if you want, you can invite someone with this link. So go back and see, this is the group name, right? So like this you can create a group on Beep app. Now if you want to create a channel on Beep app, you have to go on message sign at the bottom right corner. Then you have to click from here new channel. After that you have to type your channel name. So I want to give 5 Minute Solution. And see, now I can find the channel name is appropriate, right? I mean, I can take this name. When it will be green color, that means I can take this name. But if it is red, you can't take that name. After that, you have to scroll down. Then from channel type, you have to select what type of channel you want to continue, private channel or public channel. So I want to continue public channel. So I have selected this one. After that, here you can create your address of your channel. So I want to make 5 Minute Solution together. And see, the channel address is appropriate, right? So scroll down, and in channel description you have to write something. What type of channel you want to continue? So I want to write here video creator. And see what is written here. The group info is appropriate, right? After that you have to go on the top. Then you have to click on continue at the top right corner. Then again you have to come at the bottom. You have to click on forward sign. So click on it. And see, the channel has been created, right? 5 Minute Solution. For more settings, you can click on channel name. So click on it. And see, here is one subscriber, one admin, right? If you want to add more admin, you can click on here. Then you can add admin by clicking on add new. So go back. And also if you want to add a profile picture, you can click on it on the middle. Then have to click on camera. And if you want, you can take a picture on instant. And also if you want, you can choose photo from your gallery. So like this you can set your profile picture on here. And at the bottom you can see share link, right? By sharing this link you can engage more people on your channel. After setting profile picture, you have to click on done at the top right corner. Then go back, again go back, and see, the first one is my channel. and the second one is my group, right? So like this you can create a group and also channel on Bip app. Friends, to create group and also channel, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if you want more videos on Bip app, please write in comment box on which topic you want the video. I'll try to make video on the topic. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care.